Hello, welcome to the allotment in a rather innovative voiceover introduction. Well, went down to the allotment today. This is a very hot Saturday. Dug up all the potatoes. I put them in that bag and planted these two little beauties. These are the two turmeric that sprouted on my balcony from last year's crop, and I brought them down today and planted them, gave them good water. Underneath, just under the surface, the soil is actually fairly cool and moist, but it was really hot today. It was like 33, 34. So the soil is very dry. So put those in. I think they'll enjoy the heat though, because they are a tropical plant. Unfortunately, these broccolis were not enjoying life at all. And in fact, when I got down here, there were a couple that had just fallen over, either through boredom or depression. I'm not quite sure what. So I just pulled them up and dumped them. I mean, I couldn't even eat those. So it's a bit of a shame. It was a kind of experiment because I usually do broccoli in the autumn, and this was an early broccoli. Just walking past my... Oh, so I did pick these as well, some old beans, and it was a few tomatoes. But tomatoes, I don't know, I've just been rubbish this year with my tomatoes. Lack of preparation, execution, dedication, motivation in the nation, revolution, and all that. So tomatoes, which is a shame because, I love picking bagfuls of tomatoes. But curly kale, so last time I did the kale, I kind of thinned them out. I planted loads of seeds, thinned them out and put them various places. This is 2 weeks ago, and I did this, and they have all kind of grown and strengthened. So there's going to be a lot of curly kale, and I'm kind of treating it more as an ornamental plant because I just love those leaves. I love them, so I'm just going to keep growing it. I've still got some daikons left. I really don't think they're going to get much bigger. There's no rain forecast for the next 6 days, and daikon basically live on water, so hopefully they won't deteriorate, but I'm just going to leave these here because, you can't eat a lot of daikon. So there's the plot. It's okay. The kind of summer stuff is now starting to finish. I need to start thinking about the next stage. Turmeric was the first part, but what's next? Hello. The GoPro battery died. So I'm on the iPhone. I don't usually do these bits on the iPhone, but needs must. Really hot today. The sound is not good. I said the sound's not good. Sounds not good on the iPhone. Anyway, I've picked all the potatoes. I've planted all the turmeric, the two turmerics. I've picked a couple of daikons. Curly kale is doing better than expected. It is super hot today. I'm sweating and feeling faint, and I'm going home. So from the allotment on a very hot Saturday afternoon, this is John saying thank you and goodbye.